Lexus LX 570 launched in India, priced at rupees 2.32 crore. Lexus has launched the LX 570 SUV in the Indian market. The Lexus LX 570 is priced at rupees 2.32 crore ex-showroom in India. Lexus has also commenced the booking for the LX 570 across all the dealerships in the country. Globally, the Lexus LX 570 is the flagship SUV for the company and is based on the same ladder on frame platform, which also underpins the Toyota Land Cruiser 200. The Lexus LX 570 sports distinctive looks due to its unique design elements. The LX 570 features sharp styling with signature spindle grille, flared wheel arcs, bulbous proportions, LED headlamps, and wraparound LED taillights. The overall designs of LX 570 is budge and thanks to the unique design elements of Lexus, the SUV stands out from the crowd. The interior of the Lexus LX 570 features a dual tone theme with the soft touch material and leather seat upholstery. The cabin is equipped with a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, automatic climate control with 14 sensor and Mark Levinson audio system with 19 speakers. Other features of LX 570 includes wireless charging, heads-up display, cool seat and rear entertainment with 11.6-inch LCD display for rear passengers and ambient lighting. The Lexus LX 570 is a 7-seater SUV with a foldable third row for extra boot space for stowing luggage. The Lexus 570 draws power from a 5.7-liter V8 petrol engine producing 362 bhp and 530 Nm of torque. The 570 is quicker than the Lexus LX 450D and can sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 7.7 seconds. The LX 570 also gets multi-terrain select adjust the vehicle system as per the driving conditions. The SUV is also equipped with 5-speed crawl control which adjusts the torque and brakes on each wheel during demanding off-roading conditions. Chairman of Lexus India N. Raja said, "The performance and perfection of the 2018 LX MD the highest expressions of Lexus engineering and design in an SUV and delivers for the Indian road in ways not previously seen." In addition of the LX 570 to our lineup in India, offers our guest a striking wheel with a commanding presence on the road and exceptional ride quality to match.